For over a century, a mountain of knowledge remained locked behind a language barrier, accessible to some but hidden from the wider ummah. 1,300 years of tradition, now revitalized for the modern age, witness the unveiling of the Fatawa Ridawiyya into the Arabic language. There, Al-Imam Yusuf Al-Nabhani and supporting Sunni scholars unveil a historic milestone, the Muqaddimah of the Fatawa Ridawiyya, the pinnacle of Hanafi jurisprudence, now rendered into the Arabic tongue. We are not just printing pages, we are reconnecting the isnad of knowledge. We are taking the rigor of the East and presenting it to the scholars of the West and the heartlands of the Arab world. Brilliance deserves to be shared. This work is the result of meticulous research, critical editing, and your support. Every pound you invest goes directly to the scholars and the ink on these pages. Your sadaqah, 100% impact, 0% admin. Help us fund the research, the translation, and the critical editing of this historic work. Be a part of this revival. Join the mission at supportingsunnischolars.org.